I need to tell you something, and tire shops are gonna hate me for this. I worked at a tire shop for 3 years, corporate chain, big name, and I watched people get scammed every single day. Good people who just needed tires and walked out spending twice what they should have. And the worst part? Most of it was legal, technically. The markup, the add-ons, the services you don't need, all designed to squeeze every dollar out of you while your car is up on the lift. So let me expose exactly how this works, because once you know these tricks, you'll never get ripped off again. But first, let me tell you about the tire business, because you need to understand this. Tire shops don't make money on tires. The markup is terrible. We'd buy a tire for $120 and sell it for $140. $20 profit. That's it. So where's the money? Services, add-ons, labor. That's where they destroy you. And corporate would send down monthly quotas. You need to sell 50 alignments this month, 30 TPMS sensor kits, 20 nitrogen fills. And if you don't hit those numbers, you're having a conversation with your manager about your performance. So what happens? Good techs who just want to fix cars start pushing stuff you don't need because they have to. Scam number 1, the unrepairable tire. You come in with a nail in your tire. Simple fix. Patch and plug combo costs the shop maybe $3. They should charge you $20 to $30. Done. But here's the trick. The tech looks at your tire and says, yeah, that nail's too close to the sidewall. Can't repair it. You need a new tire. And you believe them because you don't know any better. So now, instead of a $25 repair, you're buying a $150 tire, plus mount and balance, plus disposal. You're out $200. But here's the truth. The Rubber Manufacturers Association says you can repair a puncture anywhere in the tread area as long as it's not in the sidewall and the hole is less than a quarter inch. That's a huge area. I've seen techs call tires unrepairable when the nail was 3 inches from the sidewall. Totally fixable, but they had a quota to hit. How do you avoid this? Ask to see the tire. Ask them to show you exactly where the puncture is. If it's in the tread and not on the curved shoulder, it can probably be repaired. If they push back, get a second opinion. Scam number 2, the 4-tire replacement con. This is the big one. You come in needing 1 tire. Maybe you got a flat that can't be repaired, or you curbed a tire and destroyed the sidewall. And the service advisor says, well, you really should replace all 4, especially on an all-wheel drive. Mismatched tires will damage your differential. Boom. You just went from a $200 tire to an $800 set. Now, is there truth to this? Sometimes. If you have an all-wheel drive Subaru or Audi and your tires are more than 50% worn, yeah, you might need to match the circumference within a certain tolerance. But here's what they don't tell you. Most manufacturers allow a quarter-inch difference in circumference. That's about 1/16 of an inch of tread depth. So if your other 3 tires have more than 75% tread left, you can absolutely replace just 1. And if you don't have all-wheel drive, you can replace just 1 or 2. No problem. Just put the new tires on the rear for safety. But shops push the 4-tire sale because that's where the money is. Instead of making $25 markup on 1 tire, they're making $100 on 4. A woman on TikTok said she went in for 2 tires and they convinced her she needed 3 plus lug nuts for $419. She questions it, but they told her every other shop would say the same thing. Classic pressure tactic. Scam number 3. TPMS service kits you don't need. This one makes me furious. Every car since 2008 has tire pressure sensors, little electronic sensors inside the tire. And shops charge you $8 to $15 per wheel for a TPMS service kit. That's $32 to $60 total. They say it's mandatory. They say the sensors will leak without it. It's almost never necessary. The service kit is just a rubber grommet and a valve core. Costs them maybe 50 cents, and you only need it if they're actually removing the sensor from the wheel.
If they're just dismounting the tire and mounting a new one on the same wheel, they don't touch the sensor. There's no reason to replace the kit. But we were trained to add it to every invoice, every single one, because that's 35% pure profit. How do you avoid it? When they quote you, ask, Are you removing the sensors or just swapping tires on my existing wheels? If they say just swapping, tell them you don't need the service kits. If they insist, walk out. I mean it, they're lying to you. Scam number 4, the fake alignment upsell. Alignments are pure profit. 45 minutes of work cost the shop almost nothing. They charge 80 to 150 bucks, so shops push them hard. Here's how it works. You come in for a tire rotation or new tires. They run your car over a quick check alignment sensor. Takes 2 minutes. Then they come back and say, hey, your alignment's out of spec. We should fix that today. But those quick check sensors aren't accurate. A guy on Reddit had his dealer tell him he needed an alignment 2,000 miles after he just got one done. When he questioned it, the service advisor admitted the clamp-on reader isn't reliable. And here's the thing. Even if your alignment is slightly out of spec, that doesn't mean you need it fixed. If your car drives straight, if your steering wheel is centered, if your tires are wearing evenly, you don't need an alignment. You need an alignment when you hit a curb, when you slam a pothole, when your car pulls to one side. Not every time you get tires. I've seen brand new cars with 2,000 miles get sold alignments. It's ridiculous. How do you avoid it? Ask what's actually wrong. Ask if your car pulls. Ask to see the printout. And if your tires aren't showing uneven wear, you probably don't need it. Scam number 5, the hidden fee nightmare. You call a shop and ask the price for tires. They quote you 120 bucks each. Sounds good. You show up. Then the bill comes. 480 for tires, plus 70 for mount and balance, plus 16 for valve stems, plus 60 for TPMS kits, plus 20 for disposal, plus 30 for shop supplies. You're at 676 bucks. You thought you were paying 480. This is intentional. They lowball the tire price to get you in the door, then they bury you in fees. Some of those fees are legitimate. Mount and balance is real labor. Disposal is a real cost, but shop supplies, that's a junk fee. They're charging you for gloves and tire shine. And valve stems and TPMS kits are almost never necessary unless your car is 10 years old. How do you avoid this? Always ask for the out-the-door price. Total cost, all fees included, for all 4 tires. Don't let them quote you per tire, because that's how they hide the fees. And if the final bill is way higher than the quote, question every single line item. Here's the bottom line. Tire shops aren't evil. Most techs are good people, but the business model is built on upselling. Corporate quotas push even honest employees to oversell. So protect yourself. Know when a tire can be repaired. Know when you actually need all 4 replaced. Push back on TPMS kits and alignments, and always get the out-the-door price. Don't let them pressure you. Don't let them scare you with fake safety concerns. And if a shop is being shady, leave. There's another tire shop 2 miles away. Your car needs tires, but you don't need to get ripped off buying them. That's it. Drop a comment if you've ever been hit with one of these scams, and spread this video so other people don't get taken.